What's up? Welcome back, everyone. My name is Caela, or welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about animals, but I do want to talk about kind of my life and how it's changed and why I haven't been making videos and just everything. So some of you know I have epilepsy and I have a service dog named Snoopy. She's actually on some of my photos. And she's my world, my heart, everything, and she passed away. She was 2.5 years old and my world came crumbling down. My soul died with her. She was everything to me, and now she is in doggy heaven with all the other dogs. So if you ever had animals or dogs that have passed away, have them say hi to Snoopy, because she is one of the happiest dogs I've ever met. She would be so excited to meet any one of you guys who messages me. So yeah, so we're gonna be talking about animals. So the first one is cat. I've never owned a cat. I don't really like cats. I'm allergic to cats, but cat. And dog is dog. So then ant, it's ant. And bear. Bee. Bird. It's kind of like Twitter, bird. Butterfly is butterfly. I have a couple butterfly tattoos. Chicken is chicken. Caterpillar is caterpillar. Crab. There's a lot more animals. I can do sea animals, land animals, anything you want to talk about, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.